Okay, in this video we will be addressing a common issue that many Windows users faces, and that is OneNote not working. So this kind of error is very common in some devices, especially when our device gets old. So yeah, first of all you need to head to settings and move to apps. After that you need to just find OneNote for Windows 10 and move to advanced option. Okay, after that you need to scroll down and move to reset. So you need to tap on reset now. So just tap on it. So it may take some seconds. So after that we will be repairing it. So tap on repair, and now after this setting it may work in some devices. So let me check. Just tap on it and hit your credentials here. So we have just completed 25% of the work. So as you can see here, another problem is being popped here. So again we need to troubleshoot it. So to do that, first of all you need to visit this website and just log in. Okay, log in with your Microsoft account. So yeah, never, and just follow the steps, and then so you will be welcomed in this screen. So just tap on unfreezing your files. Okay, just tap on it. So after that you need to move to onenote.com. So you need to now click on sign in option. Okay, you need to tap on sign in option. So tap on it. After that we need again hit our credential here. So yeah, so you can see this kind of interface here. So now we need to do one small setting here. So the setting is you need to deal something with your OneDrive. So to do that you can see a setting here. Okay, just tap on it, and after that you need to sign in here. Okay, with your account. Then the main reason behind the app is not running is that the account, your Microsoft account, has been freezed. So to unfreeze we have to do certain steps. So just do the same settings. Okay, you can just play at 0.5 speed. Okay, you can find that setting. So after that you need to now cross it. So now we need to try again. So as you can see here, the app is open now. So these are the only troubleshooting steps that you can proceed, okay, to fix this problem. So if you are still having this kind of error, then let me know in the comment section. I'll reply as soon as faster to help you from my side. And if this process worked in your device, then make sure to hit one like in this video. So we'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching.